Hello, great professional students. My name is Tayo Steven, founder Starry Gold Academy. I want to make an announcement. We're starting our 30 Days ICAN Exam Study Challenge. So what is this ICAN 30 Days Exam Challenge about, the study challenge? Well, we are coming together to put you on a quest to finish the entire syllabus for any given paper, maybe 1 or 2 courses max within 30 days, right? So if you have not started preparing for this exam at all, you want to take on this challenge. Now, what does challenge help us do? Whenever there is a challenge, our body releases the adrenaline, that is the fight hormone, the conquest hormone that makes us stand up and want to do something, right? And so when there is a challenge, it means that there is 2 or more people striving to achieve something. Not necessarily that one person will win and others will lose. It's just that everybody can win, right? That's the kind of challenge that we are throwing out here. Because if you go for this exam, it's not really that there is a set mark, a number of people that must pass. The issue is that as much people that meet up the cutoff mark, they can pass the exam. All right, so how is this challenge going to do? How is it going to run? So before I go into how it's going to run, let me first talk about what this challenge will do for you. It will help you increase your chances of passing this November ICAN exam. All right, so now let's go to how to participate. How do you participate? So the first way to participate is to join our ICAN Telegram classes. So particularly for the papers that you want to sit for. So the link for that will be provided along with this audio. So once you have joined that, then you get our free 30 days ICAN exam success blueprint. So the free 30 days ICAN exam success blueprint is a guide that helps you to finish the entire syllabus of any one paper within 30 days. Well, the issue is when we announced this some time ago, somebody replied and said, how is it possible to finish the entire syllabus in 30 days? You see, that's why we call it a challenge. So you just come on board and do what we ask you to do, right? And see whether you will finish it or not. Okay, so I said earlier on that this is for those if you have not even started preparing. But if you have started preparing at all, and then you are struggling in your preparation, then take up this challenge as well. So the start date will be this Friday, 10th of September, 2021. And of course, the venue is going to be on our Telegram classes. So the link is provided here for you. So take it up, it's free. So if you have a video lecture, then you will see how it's going to help you to cover the entire syllabus within 30 days, right? So if you don't have it, then you can ask for how you can have it, right? So, but why are we doing this? Our goal at Starry Gold Academy is to produce as many chartered accountants as possible, right? And this thing is possible. Remember that when we go in peer, right? When we go in peer, then you discover that we can achieve much. Now, when you meet a hyena and a lion, one-on-one, the lion will kill the hyena. But you see, hyena don't go out individually. They go out in pair. And group of hyena always kill and devour a lion. Always. So if you go online on YouTube and search this out and watch videos about it, you'll find out that when a hyena is going out, they always chase lion, tigers, or the wild beasts. They don't go out individually. They go out in groups. A pair of hyena will defeat the strongest lion. So that's what we want to do here. As pair of students coming together to take this challenge, you find out that we can defeat ICAN together, right? So ICAN in this case is the lion that we want to defeat in November by passing. So you come out, take up the challenge, and let's see how it goes. All right, God bless you. See you there. Bye.